time is a very precious resource which once wasted will never come back. The only thing that remains after you waste time is the regret. Oh my goodness, I should have started studying early. I could have scored better marks. I wasted a lot of time initially, and then it was only a rush hour, and I was catching up with a lot of things, and it was becoming difficult. Yes, don't let this happen. Once you get into this habit, it becomes very easy. It's the initial 1 week, 2 weeks that would be a little difficult for you to get into this mode. And I think now is the time. We're just finishing off with 2020 with a hope of 2021 being better than 2020. Yes, of course, it's going to be better. But it's going to bring up a lot of other challenges because you've lost out on a lot of learning, a lot of interaction, a lot of schooling. But your aging has not stopped. You've grown. All of us have grown. Let's not waste further more time on anything other than learning. If you have not caught up with any of these subjects, probably this is the time. Because you're not doing it for exam. Please understand that it is not about exams and marks. It's about what you learn, what you remember, and how you will apply all of this going forward. Because what you learn in 5th is what you will apply in 6th. What you learn in 6th is what you will apply in 7th. There are step-by-step process, step-by-step subjects and topics and concepts that are taught to you. And in our whole life, whatever we study till our 10th or probably till 12th is what we use the most going forward. What we study in degree in post-graduation is helpful, yes, but basic thing is what we actually study till the 10th or 12th. So very important that you look at this timetable in its entirety and in its seriousness. So if you're wondering where you're wasting time, probably find out. You found out your learning styles and preferences. Now find out your timetable. Where is it that you're losing out on time? And many students I asked or I interact earlier across all different age groups, they tell कि अरे time ही नहीं है. अरे किधर नहीं है time? क्यों नहीं है? कहाँ जा रहा है time? पता नहीं. Then I show them the timetable and then they start realizing, oh yes, oh my goodness, I'm losing out on a lot of things. Where am I losing out on time? Have a timetable and get it into a habit of adhering to your timetable. That will help you a lot.